Yo, what's up?
What's good?
Yo, I'm about to get dinner.
Nah, I'm gonna play some Battlefield.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, yo, peace.
Alright, word to see you.
Today's gonna be different. It's gonna be a good day.
We are just getting word here of a school shooting. They are, quote, responding to reports of an active shooter at the campus.
Police say one person was killed and 5 others were injured. The hunt is on for the suspect.
And from here, Brooke, this will be a very active investigation to figure out
We know
how
why
law
this
enforcement is
happened.
there on the scene.
Campus.
The question is whether federal law enforcement have a
After a student capturing the moment there, the shooting started
Both crews there on the scene. We want right now to go to Maureen Kosad, who we saw on the scene. She has some new information for us there from the area of North Campus. Maureen.
And I just sprinted about 2 blocks from the Lane Avenue parking garage. We're going to show you the area we're talking about. That is where law enforcement's focus seems to be right now. Just moments ago, we saw a heavy presence of cruisers flying in, lights and sirens, SWAT officers jumping out of unmarked vehicles with their rifles running into that parking garage.